What up, this is J Russ, aka Jonas the Barber, back again with another Hondlik video. Today we're back with another trimmer unboxing, and I think this is the cheapest zero gap trimmer that you can get on the market. And the clipper is this, the Enzo Professional. Don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just adjust the lighting there. The Enzo Professional trimmer. It says here it's an Enzo Professional metal lithium outliner, and I'm sure you guys have seen by the title that I got this trimmer for 390 bucks. I see they sell, well, this brand actually is on Takealot. I'm not certain that this trimmer is on Takealot, but I'll leave you with the details at the end of the video as to where you guys can pick this trimmer up. And I mean, for 390 bucks, that's a steal, especially for for all you upcoming barbers. So now that the Fade Company hype has died down a bit, I wanted to show you guys these trimmers, because I got these trimmers before the Fade Company released. Review to come soon on those trimmers and hair clippers. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys the Enzo Professional trimmer unboxing, and then you guys can see what you get for 390 bucks, which is actually crazy in this day and age. But stay tuned, let me stop rambling and let's get to this unboxing. Alright, I'm actually very excited to be unboxing this clip over here. This is a trimmer by the brand called Enzo Professional. The model number is EN-1931. It's a metal lithium outliner. The packaging goes as follows: Enzo metal lithium outliner. It says that the same thing on that side, and at the bottom it shows Enzo Professional, as you can see right over there. But what actually drew me to this trimmer itself, it says it is a professional all metal cordless lithium outliner featuring an exposed T-blade with a 360 degree view, making it one of the first of its kind, the perfect tool for crispy edge ups, hard lines and all other detail work. Welcome to the new gold standard of outliners. As you can see, it says it has an exposed T-blade with a 360 degree view. As you can see, different angles of the clipper itself. This is the part here that really drew me towards this clipper. It says that it is DLC titanium adjustable zero gap T-blade, and it says it includes a zero gap tool. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it says a zero gap tool is included, so I'm very keen for that part there. So that means this blade can be zero gapped, it seems. It says a high torque brushless Ferrari designed motor at 7,200 RPM engine. There's a lithium ion battery with a 4-hour runtime. It says it has an all metal housing, knurled barbell grip, detent hanging hook. You can see the Chinese English there is quite good. And yeah, it just gives you some more specs over there. You can use it corded or cordless, up to 4-hour runtime. And yeah, let's check it out. So we're gonna unbox it like this. Obviously, just take our blade. Let's get all this plastic off. You can put that to the side like that, and I slide it out. I must say the box does feel premium. That's what you like to see. And yeah, we are greeted with the trimmer first, with a plastic housing over it like that. We'll take this and set it to the side. We'll get to that later. So you are greeted with some trimmer guards, and oil, and then the charger itself. Looks like a nice charger. And then the operating manual. But I do not see a zero gap tool. Did they lie on the box? Unless it's in here. Yeah, must say the trimmer does feel nice and premium. Okay. That's how it looks over there. Titanium blades. The trimmer does look very nice, I must say. And so it looks, obviously it looks like the Gappable trimmer. That's the hanging hook. And this is how it sounds. There's a digital display with the amount of battery left. That's nice. Nice and quiet, I must say. But yeah, I'll be definitely keen to see if these blades can be zero gapped. At the moment it doesn't look like they are. Let me see if I can focus it. Yeah, these blades don't look like they are zero gapped at the moment. You can see there's a tiny gap. Tiny gap. So I really hope that they can be zero gapped. But it does look like it. But yeah, we'll see in the review of the trimmer. Alright, so for all you guys that want to know where you can buy these trimmers from the physical location, anybody that's in Joburg South most likely will be able to go and pick themselves up a pair of these trimmers, because their store is based in Johannesburg. So I'll leave the details to the store in the description below. You guys can go and visit them. I don't think they deliver countrywide, but you can try and call them and see if they do deliver. But yeah, you guys will be able to get their trimmers from the store. If you guys like this video and want to stay tuned for the review of these trimmers, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I'll check you guys in the next Hauntluck video. Stay blessed and stay safe, and peace out, y'all peeps!